Telstra Shop, Chimboomba, main derby here at the Beaudesert Show. Number 12, Carl Thomas. For Thomas Welding will take the first hit right here tonight. We've got the Minion, number 69. Now I'm going to tell you, that's a Valiant wagon. That is a very big, heavy metal car. So it's going to be hard to bend that one up. 68 and 69. The Minions. So Wally Collins and Joe Collins are our Minions out there. We've got number 11, Gypsy Link, also starting to make a bit of a move. Nathan Stephan runs for the Beaudesert Hotel. Great sponsor that. Number 10 is Timmy Pryor for Shed Zone Boona. Now let's just survey where we're at the moment. Looks like number 2 is copping a fair amount of abuse out there. Matthew Hall. Big hit backwards. Hey, the number 11, Nathan Stephan, put a massive hit on 68, Wally Collins. And Wally Collins, no damage or very little to the back of that, the back of that Valiant. Problems for Stephan over there. Now I think that's Nathan Stephan in the Beaudesert Hotel. No, number 11. Our police number 12 has also got some issues. Carl Thomas. Zone 17, Ryan Ward. Oh yeah, there we go, the Gypsy ink tattoo. Valiant's there. Looks like he's high and dry. He's just spinning the rear tyres because the rear end is stuck up on one of those big tractor tyres. The number 8, Matt Magalia in the Hydrolink Beaudesert car. Gee, that's a nice straight looking Holden for the moment. Number 3, Mick Shepley for Power Tune 4x4. Got himself that Ford wagon. Number 9 there, Wade Stephan in the Tyrrell Concreting HG Holden.
And I get back to
Little bit of bip and barge between Stephan and Michael Jansen. Meanwhile, still back over there, number 11 for Gypsy Ink Tattoo. 17, I beg your pardon, 17. Smoking the back tyres and steaming out the front of the engine. He's nearly off. Looks like number 12 has pulled the flag down. Carl Thomas in the Thomas Welding, Hack Group, Norco and TMB XF Ford panel van. Well, we've started with started with 15 cars. We still have 13 moving out there at the moment. The Gypsy Ink number 17 back